Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kamran Vijit. I'm a group member of Babar Aziz Hamdan Ali and Bilal Ashraf. And the title of our project is Classification of Finger Movements for Prosthetic Hand by using Surface Electromyogram Signals, in short, Surface EMG. And we have done this project under the supervision of engineer Mohammad Akmal. Now coming to our introduction. Basically, this project is the implementation of classification techniques on finger movement for prosthetic hand by using surface electromyogram signals. A lot of research has been carried out to acquire EMG signal to develop better algorithm to improve existing methodology in classification techniques. But in our project, MyoArmband has been used to acquire surface EMG signals. All movement signal can be acquired with the help of this single band, and we get rid from placing electrode on different positions. A typical robotic arm is made up of 7 metal segments joined by 6 joints. The computer controls the robot by rotating individual servo motor connected to each joint of robotic finger. The robot uses motion sensor to make sure it moves just the right amount. Surface EMG records biological signal generated on the skin surface during the muscle movement with the help of an electrode. Need and importance of the topic. In the manufacturing world, one of the most common myoelectric interface is the robotic arm. This arm, made up of 6 joints, can be used as prosthetic hand. Robotic arm like this could be used for the people who work in factories, for example by helping to lift objects or just providing an extra hand when needed.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. My name is Muhammad Hamdan. Today I am representing you to my final presentation. Let's start our presentation. First of all, we will discuss about problem statement. Our problem statement is to classify movements using surface EMG signals to operate prosthetic hand. For classification, use the spot vector machine SVM, make the hand movement smoothly and more precisely. As for the robotic operations, this prosthetic hand can help in the accurate and efficient application of the task performed in the industries. Now we will further move on to aims and objectives. Our aim is to acquisition of strong EMG signals from the MyoArmband, classify the finger movements on real-time EMG signals. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Bilal Ashraf. This is the literature study. We did a lot of research to understand the basics of our project and to find the best answer and the best method for our project. After all the research, we find that the MyoArmband is a best sensor to acquire the surface electromyogram signals, and the spot vector machine is the best method for the classification of fingers. Now moving towards the next slide is methodology. Now the methodology comes. To understand the methodology, we have to describe these steps: spot vector machine, Raspberry Pi and MyoArmband. First of all, we have to understand the spot vector machine. SVM is a machine learning model that uses classification algorithms for the classification of groups. SVM use hyperplanes to classify the groups. Now this is the mathematical expression which shows how SVM classify by using hyperplane. Suppose we have a n cross p data matrix X that consists of n training observation in p-dimensional space. Now these observations fall into two classes, that is -1 and +1, where -1 represents the one class and +1 represents the other class. Now our main goal is to develop a classifier based on the training data that will classify the test observation using its feature measurements. Now look at these figures. In left figure, SVM is trying to develop a hyperplane, comparing it with the test observation, and finally it develops that hyperplane shown in the other figure. Now the equation of hyperplane have property. If this equation is greater than 0, then the output is +1, and if it is less than 0, then the output is -1. These type of hyperplanes are used to construct a very natural classifier. If the test observation is greater positive, then we assign the test observation to class +1, and if it is negative, then we assign it to class -1. Now this shows the classification of groups by using a hyperplane which is developed by Sport Vector Machine. Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card-sized computer that plugs into the computer monitor and TV. We can program it by using languages like Scratch and Python. We can use it to get our desired output by using these languages. It can do everything which a computer can do, from browsing the internet and playing high definition videos to make spreadsheets, etc. It takes a power of 5 volt and 3 ampere for the functioning, and we can insert a micro card slot for the storage. My armband is a wireless sensor with 8 electromyographic electrodes, and it have ARM Cortex M4 processor, and it communicates via Bluetooth adapter. This sensor have a haptic feedback in the form of vibration. This sensor acquires electromyographic signals. The minimum interval between two distinct muscles is 200 millisecond, and this length is suitable for SVM. Now first of all, we have to acquire the SEMG signals by using myogram band, and then transmit these signals wirelessly to the Raspberry Pi, where these signals are classified by using SVM. After this classified output is connected with the commands of servo motors within the Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi is connected with the prosthetic hand via fishing wires and then gives the desired output. This is our block diagram. First of all, we have a Myo armband. It is a wearable sensor with 8 electromyographic electrodes. It is a wireless sensor which connects with processors through a 4.0 low energy Bluetooth adapter, and it operates on a Bluetooth range of 2.40 to 2.480 GHz. And for the best performance, the distance between the sensor and the adapter should be less than 15 meters. My armband gives an amplified signal in the range of 0 to 3 volts. The Bluetooth adapter is connected with this Raspberry Pi. Then the signals are classified by using SVM Sport Vector Machine. After the classification, the classified results are connected with the commands of servo motors, which are connected at the joints of prosthetic hand by through a fishing wire. By following these steps, we have completed our project.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Babar Aziz. First of all, we have a result of acquiring EMG signal. This shows the EMG signal for a ring finger, and other is our prosthetic hand mimics the gesture of the finger. And this shows the signal of thumb movement, and the other is a prosthetic hand mimic the thumb movement. And this is a signal of middle finger, and the prosthetic hand mimic. This is a signal of index movement, and the prosthetic hand mimic its movement. This is the signal of pinky finger, and the prosthetic hand mimics the movement. This is our table that show a true positive result. In this table we have 10 subjects, and we tested each subject for 10 times for every subject. After testing all these, we have true positive rate for every individual finger, and then we find the accuracy by taking the average of TPRs, and we get an accuracy of 78%. Now we have come to conclusion. In this modern era, people face critical accident in which they lose their upper limbs or the upper limb does not work, and the chemical industries in which they do the toxic chemical reaction by using their hand, in which gloves don't work. These things motivate us to make the comfort zone for those people. So we use Myo armband for the recognition of signal, and this sensor gives us a good signal. This represents a system which enables to recognize the movement of all individual fingers. The purpose system uses a myo-armband sensor and the algorithm and show us all the result on the 3D printed prosthetic hand. This system has the potential to recognize the movement of the finger with an accuracy of up to 78%. This TRP, which is 78%, will improve if we use more better sensor than myo-armband and more modern technique of classification. And these are the problem attributes, and they all are there. These are the references.